I love Muhammad. I love Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. I love Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. He taught us to be good. He taught us to be good. Stay away from evil. Stay away from evil. Don't lie and don't fight. Don't lie and don't fight. Love your parents and be nice. I love Muhammad. We love Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. We love Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam.